Oh, welcome back. This week, the fine fellers and fellettes at O'Reilly want to help you better understand some vice grip vocabulators and find me some make it happeners for my going to town rigs. So let's give them a call.
O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Hey, it's Derek. Got to get a couple things for the going to town rig. You ready?
Shoot.
Lightning cube.
Check.
Did a lightning whirler for small block Chevrolet.
Got it here.
Sparkletors, quantity of 8.
Take your pick.
Give me some brake juice, would you please?
Got you covered.
Need some stoplights.
5,000 or 9,000?
They're dinner plates in the front and the cereal bowl ones in the back.
You betcha.
And throw in some look back dangulators too, would you?
We got them.
All right, I'm on my way. With one trip to O'Reilly, a guy got everything he needed, and well, some stuff I didn't.